NBC News reporting tonight, this year's flu season is the most active in 10 years.
What about here locally? Are the Coastal Empire and Low Country seeing infection rate increases? WSAV News 3's Kyra Jones is joining us live from Memorial Health with the latest on that.
Yeah, Tina, on a scale of 1 to 13, with 13 being the highest, the state of Georgia has been high for several weeks. And right now we are currently at a 10. That's according to the Coastal Health District.
If you do get sick, get treated if you need to be treated.
Dr. Tim Connolly, internal medicine doctor at Memorial Health, says if you don't have your flu shot, it's time to get one.
So people not vaccinated are at most risk for influenza. This year's vaccine is particularly effective against influenza, with 70% of the sequenced influenza viruses testing positive for H3N2, which is one of the two variants that we have in this most recent influenza vaccine.
He says people who deal with severe health issues should get vaccinated.
And people with comorbid medical conditions, especially those with asthma and chronic lung problems, are really feeling the brunt of illness due to influenza this year.
Dr. Connolly says the reason for this increase is because of years of following CDC guidelines. Our bodies are not used to being exposed to the flu.
So as time goes on, there is an unintended consequence to being too good and masking too well and social distancing too well, and that is our immune system forgets these common viruses that we see. So now our immune system's trying to play catch up, and we're seeing a lot of illness as a result.
Experts say even though the flu is not 100% preventable, the best way to protect yourself is to take care of yourself and do not let your sickness go untreated.
Well, all the things we've been talking about over the past 2 years with masking when you're out and about, obviously you're in a big wide open space outdoors. It's probably not as useful than if you're in a small enclosed space with multiple individuals. Hygiene is very important. That prevents you from getting ill.
Dr. Connolly also says if you cannot get to a hospital, try setting up a telehealth appointment with your doctor. Visiting your local urgent care is also another option. Live from Memorial Health, Kyra Jones, WSAV News 3 on your side.